Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am always looking to use products on my skin that don't have too many chemicals or anything artificial. And so I absolutely love Dr. Bronner's bar soap. And this one I have here is the eucalyptus scent.
I love Dr. Bronner's for its great ingredients, and this is a great size too for a bar soap. It's nice and substantial, and also a little goes a long way. Check out the great lather on this, and really you don't need that much soap to get an awesome, awesome lather. It is nice and moisturizing, I find, nice and soft on the skin. It does its job getting me nice and squeaky clean, but also it feels great and hydrating, and that light eucalyptus scent is so incredibly uplifting. This is definitely a go-to for me for bar soap.
This soap smells so good. The fragrance is nice and light but energizing. I absolutely love it and I highly recommend checking it out. And that's just my point of view.